Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes worth of time. So all this here may look like a couple weeks. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. So first thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of these lines. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So just trying to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update comes about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 75 cents as resistance, but now that the price is broken up above there, this would be considered an area of support and the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 75 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, I am not saying that everything's ruined or anything like that, but if the price can manage to stay above it, that would be a great sign. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic but highly effective way to just gauge the overall health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, the bulls are in full strength, the price actions, in full health, however you can best visualize that from the big picture perspective. Again, yeah, staying above 75 cents would be great, but from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So nice way to end the week. The past couple of days, we'll see if the bulls can keep on building next week or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.